In this video, we'll show you how to install your new DownScan Undervision module into your Quest bait boat. If you purchased Quest with DownScan Undervision already installed, no physical installation is required, and your bait boat is ready for setup in the Fish Deeper app. If you've purchased the DownScan Undervision module separately, we'll now guide you through the installation process. Inside the box, you'll find the DownScan Undervision module in its protective case, a replacement handle, silicone grease, mounting hardware, a Torx key, a hex or Allen key, and a user manual. The included case can also be used to safely store your original empty module in case you need it in the future. Firstly, make sure your Quest bait boat is off and remove both batteries. Now remove the existing empty module from your Quest. The DownScan Undervision module will be installed in its place. Before installation, apply the included silicone grease to the DownScan Undervision module. Spread it evenly across the sealing surface to ensure smooth installation. Insert the metal spacers into the mounting slots of the DownScan. Now, insert the DownScan Undervision module into the module slot and push it fully into position. Secure it using the included screws. Next, replace the original handle with the included green handle. This identifies your Quest as an upgraded model. Before turning on your Quest, make sure the DownScan Undervision module is fully installed and the Fish Deeper app is updated to the latest version. Turn on your Quest with DownScan and the remote controller while they are still on dry land. When Quest powers on, you'll hear a short crackling sound. Complete the firmware update in the Fish Deeper app while your bait boat and remote controller remain powered on. Once setup is complete, the new DownScan controls will appear in the Fish Deeper app. Your DownScan Undervision upgrade is now installed, and your Quest is ready to explore underwater structure in greater detail than ever before.